Hey, you. If you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and I'm about to show you what we're going to be cooking up for next week. Monday, we're going in and making a veggie pasta. Now, you want to stick to the sweet bell peppers. An orange and a yellow would be really good in this. And I also used an English cucumber, but you can use a regular cucumber. I just prefer the English over the regular. And I also took some chicken tenders, threw them bad boys on the grill, barbecued them up, and got them ready to go. This pasta salad is even better if you make it ahead. So if you make it and at least refrigerate it for about an hour to 2 hours before you eat dinner, it's going to be a whole lot better. Tuesday, we're going in and making some easy red beans and rice. Now, I did use the canned red beans and rice that's already mixed together because that particular brand is actually really good. I used the beef smoked sausage, but the andouille sausage would be even better. Just because I took a shortcut and used canned red beans and rice doesn't mean I'm not about to chop me up some vegetables and throw that in. I diced me up a sweet onion and chopped me up a green bell pepper. Just remember, when you're cutting it up, you want to cut it up according to whatever size of a bite that you want. There's many different ways to make red beans and rice, and for an easy, simple weeknight dinner, this particular brand is the way to go. Wednesday, we went in with an Asian flair and made an egg roll bowl. I tried something different this time and used the super blend of vegetable mix, but you could always get you a whole cabbage and some matchstick carrots and throw them down in there, and it's going to be just the same. Sometimes we eat for the flavor of food, and sometimes we eat because we need the nutrients from the food. This was one of those nights when it was for both. Make sure you pick you up some sesame oil because it is a key ingredient. I have made it without it before, and it is definitely missing when you don't have it. Thursday, I went in and made broccoli and ham pasta. Now, you can use a cheese sauce for this, but I had to go in and make me a cheese sauce roux. I'm not better than using a jar of sauce, but a cheese sauce roux at home really is pretty daggone good. Now, this is also the cheese sauce that I use whenever I make baked macaroni and cheese. So, if you want to make you some baked macaroni and cheese, all you got to do is replace your pasta. It takes about 20 minutes to make, and it is a little bit harsh on the wrist, but it is, again, pretty daggone worth it. I also used a smoked ham. I do recommend that you use a smoked ham in this, but you could use whatever it is that you like. Friday, we went in with the grilled chop, the collard greens, peas, and the baked potato. I know it looks like it's a lot of ingredients, but you gotta have a few things to put down in them collards to get them tasting where they need to be. I seasoned my pork chops with the Lowry's Steak and Chop seasoning. It is really good. I really do recommend that. And I barbecued them up with the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. But you season up your chops how it tastes best to your taste buds. I seasoned up my water, tossed in my beans, threw in some onions, seasoned them up, and the things was ready to go. This is my favorite way of making collard greens. Now, I used to use ham hock, but now I use turkey bacon, and I'm telling you, that's where it's at. Hey you, hop on over here and let me talk to you for a minute. I got something to tell you and I got something to show you. I am a sucker for the sky. When there is a portrait in the sky, I'm ready to see it and I'm ready to film it and I'm ready to share it. So I hope you see all the beautiful things that I see up there. If you don't, that's okay. I'm going to talk to you anyway. Let me talk to you about what I got for you. So meal planning is a chore. I'm just saying it is a chore. It's something that I've struggled with since I was a young mother. I was always trying to figure out what's for dinner. I'd ask the kids, what's for dinner? What do y'all want to eat? I don't know. I don't care. It don't matter. And it got so frustrating trying to figure out what is for dinner. But let me tell you something. It is so much easier going through when you can mark off a list and you don't even have to worry about it. You already know. Look, I'm going to have my day and this is what I'm going to cook for dinner. I ain't even got to think about it. I don't have to spend my time trying to figure out what am I going to make for dinner. It's already decided. So this is why I have come up with a whole meal plan system so that you, my lovely friends, can go to Patreon, get your meal plan, get your grocery list, because I have formulated the grocery list for you. Now, if you don't know how to cook it, well, honey, all you got to do is come back to my video and I'm going to show you just how to cook it. Let me tell you another reason why I come up with this whole, let's figure out what we're going to eat for dinner before we ever even get to the week. Something has happened with the food where eating out is just not pleasurable at all. It seems like a way. It costs more and it tastes way worse. But I'm gonna tell you, skipping that drive-through line, that's gonna help you right there. That's gonna help you not only in your wallet, but it's gonna help you with your taste buds, because them things don't be liking that fast food. I don't know what is going on with the fast food, but it is not good. Not good. Like I say, this started off as a passion project, but whenever I started to see that I could actually help other people, because I experienced the issue with what is for dinner? What am I going to cook for dinner? And I'm just telling you from experience, life is so much easier when you already know what you're going to cook for dinner. It's already planned out for you. You already know. It ain't nothing you got to think about. So if this is something that you can benefit from, well, the link is down in the description. Just head right on over. I hope y'all have a good rest of your week. I'm going to see you on Monday. I'm going to bring you the dinner demo and show you how to cook up every single thing that I showed you today. The link is down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And I will see you guys Monday. Let me tell y'all another thing that I'm really not that wild about. Why we gotta have such big glasses? Why does everything gotta be so out there? I don't even know, but I mean, it's really hard to find a good pair of sunglasses. So if y'all laughing at me because I got these big old sunglasses on, honey, I have looked, I have searched, I don't even know. But all I know is my eyes cannot see out here without these sunglasses. So what am I even saying? I don't even know. Y'all have a great week, and I'm gonna see you next week for the dinner demo. Let's get it.